Hi there, and welcome to Stefanini's Behind the Screens. I'm Mary, and today I'm joined by Leo Vieira, Stefanini's Digital Industry Director, and Gustavo Brito, IHM's Global Industry Director. We're going to chat about OEE and also how Stefanini has stepped up to help some clients in the past with this process. So before we get started, thank you both for joining me today.
Thank you.
Great. So when it comes to improving plant, manufacturing line, and machine level performance, manufacturers often turn to OEE. So what are some of the benefits of looking at OEE and measuring OEE?
So Mary, OEE is the most comprehensive KPI in a manufacturing process can have, right? So it's very important to say that's not related to digital maturity or level of automation. So even in a highly automated and digital plant where a lot of digital industry 4.0 technologies were applied, it's not guaranteed that the plant will be producing as much as it can, as fast as it was designed for, and with the much quality that was expected by the customer. So by consistently measuring OEE, you can better identify your constraints. Then your technology adopter will no longer be a consequences of new launchings, but the technology that gives you more results. So that's why we say OEE is beyond technology.
Great. Some great points there, Leo. Thank you. So Gustavo, I'm going to turn the next question over to you. What are some tips for improving OEE?
So, Mary, it's natural that people expected from a digital solution company like Stefanini, we focus on the delivery of technology. However, we pursue customers' business outcomes. In the last 5 years, we have made an analysis of which factors directly impact the efficiency, quality, and operational reliability indicators. And we identified a cultural need for the OEE to be increased, a change in the operational decision-making process. We understand that industry, regardless of segment, have a culture of decision-making based on bias. And if we help our industrial customers shift their culture to a data-driven decision-making, we would achieve our goal of increasing OEE. Thus, we represent the decision-making process as a pyramid, where at the top are the KPIs that impact OEE. Then at the bottom of the pyramid, we understand how data that influence the decision process is collected and made available. And we completed the middle zone with effective decisions. So to transform industry organization from a bias-based decision-making culture to a data-based decision-making culture, we set up squads that evaluated the steps from data collection through data structuring and finally development of data-driven models.
Great. So obviously data is really important here, and Stefanini is no stranger to helping clients with improving OEE. Could you maybe tell us about a case?
Yeah, sure. So we have some of them, Mary, and this is maybe one of the most recent ones. So we have a manufacturing customer that was looking to improve the industrial performance through digital and innovative solutions. So the improvement on OEE was one of the key objectives of this project, right? So we always prefer, as Gustavo said, we always prefer agile, and normally we build a custom squad with multidisciplinary teams. So by having the objectives in mind, as the sprints goes, they plan, they design, they test and implement the solutions, no matter which technology is necessary. In this case, we have worked in several levels. We recommended new sensors, for example. We improved the process automation, and we implemented digital solutions that were aligned with the needs that they have. Because of the flexible scope, we were able to execute the project targeting the business objective, and we could change some of the solutions planned initially. We found new ways to resolve, or we put a technology that fitted better in that case, right?
Great. Well, that was all the questions I had. Thank you both for joining me today. I learned a lot, and hopefully our audience did too. So thanks again for joining, and have a great day.
Thank you.